Imagine this. You wake up on a quiet morning. The sun is shining through your window. You walk into the kitchen, but your body feels heavy. Your knees are stiff. Your heart beats a little faster after just a few steps. Breakfast doesn't taste the same. Maybe you felt this too. Here's the hopeful part. In your grocery store, sitting right in the produce aisle, there's a simple green vegetable, broccoli. This humble food may hold surprising power for your heart, memory, and joints. Researchers have found that people who add broccoli to their meals a few times each week may age with more strength, better focus, and steadier energy. In today's video, I'll share the benefits of broccoli, the easiest ways to enjoy it, and important cautions you should know. So let me ask, could broccoli become your secret key to healthier aging after 60? As we grow older, life begins to change in ways we never expected. For many people over 60, the heart doesn't beat as steadily as before. Climbing one flight of stairs can leave you out of breath. Memory slips more often, forgetting an appointment, or the name of a dear friend. Digestion slows down, making even a simple meal feel heavy. These are daily challenges most older adults quietly face. And what usually happens? We reach for bottles of pills or expensive supplements, hoping they will bring back energy, protect the heart, or sharpen memory. But after weeks or months, many feel disappointed. The side effects are bothersome. The results are uncertain. It becomes frustrating, almost discouraging. Here's the, if you ever thought that only medicine could help, listen to this. The truth is, nature already offers powerful support, right inside your kitchen. You don't need complicated treatments. You don't need to spend a fortune. A natural, simple vegetable, broccoli, is available in every grocery store across America. Broccoli has been studied by Harvard and the National Institutes of Health. The results show its nutrients may support the heart, protect brain cells, and ease inflammation in joints. And the best part? It's affordable, safe, and easy to add to your meals. So now you may wonder, what makes this humble vegetable so special? Let's take a closer look at this little green vegetable. Broccoli is more than just a side dish. For people over 60, it can be a gentle solution to some of the biggest health concerns: the heart, the brain, and the joints. Benefit 1: protecting the heart. According to researchers at Harvard, people who eat green vegetables like broccoli several times a week may lower their risk of heart disease by nearly 30%. That's a powerful number. The reason is simple. Broccoli contains fiber, vitamin C, and sulforaphane, compounds that help reduce cholesterol and improve blood vessel function. For an older adult who feels the heart beating too fast after a short walk, this can make a real difference. My neighbor Jim, age 67, started adding broccoli to his dinner 3 nights a week. Within months, his doctor noticed better blood pressure numbers. And here's the surprising part. He didn't change anything else in his diet. Benefit 2: supporting memory and the brain. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, highlights antioxidants in broccoli, such as lutein and vitamin K. These nutrients protect nerve cells and slow memory decline. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that adults who ate green vegetables 5 to 6 times a week had memory levels nearly 11 years younger than those who ate very little. Imagine that, feeling mentally sharper just from a simple change in meals. My Aunt Linda, who often forgot her shopping list, began steaming broccoli a few times a week. She now says her foggy moments are less frequent. Benefit 3: easing joints and bones. Cleveland Clinic has emphasized the role of vitamin K and calcium in keeping bones strong. Broccoli offers both, along with sulforaphane, which may calm inflammation in stiff knees or swollen fingers. For many older adults who wake up with morning stiffness, this can be life-changing. Think of it this way. Instead of reaching for another pain reliever, you might reach for a serving of broccoli. 3 simple ways to use broccoli. Steam lightly. Cooking for 3-4 minutes keeps most of the vitamin C and antioxidants intact. 2. Add to soups or stews. A handful of chopped broccoli makes comfort food even healthier. 3. Mix with eggs or pasta. A simple broccoli omelet or pasta dish can turn an ordinary meal into a nutrient-rich plate. And here's a gentle reminder, you don't need a lot. Just 1 to 2 cups, 2 or 3 times a week, may be enough to see benefits over time. So, broccoli is not only affordable and easy to find, it's also one of the simplest, most natural tools for staying healthy after 60. Before you rush to fill your plate with broccoli, let's pause for a moment. While this vegetable is safe for most people over 60, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Some older adults have medical conditions that require extra care. For example, broccoli is rich in vitamin K. This vitamin supports healthy bones, but it can also interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you are taking such medicine, sudden changes in broccoli intake may affect your treatment. Others may experience mild gas or bloating if they eat too much at once. And of course, if you have a rare allergy to cruciferous vegetables, broccoli may not be the best choice for you. So how can you enjoy it in the safest way? Here's a gentle reminder. Broccoli is not a replacement for prescribed medicine. It's a support, a natural partner to a healthy lifestyle. Think of it as adding strength to the care you already receive. If you have underlying health issues, such as heart disease, diabetes, or digestive disorders, always check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. This small step ensures that you gain the benefits without unexpected problems. So enjoy broccoli, but enjoy it wisely. With balance and care, it can be a safe and nourishing part of life after 60. So let's take a step back. We've seen that broccoli is more than just a simple vegetable on your plate. It can support your heart, protect your memory, and ease stiff joints. And the best part, it's affordable, safe, and already sitting in your local grocery store. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you usually enjoy broccoli? Do you steam it, add it to soups, or maybe roast it with a little olive oil? Share your favorite way in the comments below. And here's something important. When you leave a comment, you're not only joining the conversation, you're helping others who are also looking for simple ways to stay healthy after 60. Remember, when you share this video, you may give a family member or a close friend the chance to protect their heart and memory for years to come. One small action from you could make a big difference in someone else's life. And before you go, here's a little teaser. In our next video, we'll uncover another everyday food, one that may surprise you even more than broccoli. Could it be hiding in your spice rack right now? Stay tuned to find out. So, don't forget, comment, share, and subscribe. Your health journey and the health of those you love matters every single day.